Hey everybody, this is Montana Bushcraft. I do apologize for my voice and everything. I'm just recovering from a cold, and so I figured it'd be a good time while I recover to talk about the new product that I bought recently, and it's called the Leatherman Wave. And before we get into the tool, I'll talk about this sheath real quick. It's a nylon sheath and it has Velcro. And then the back for putting on your belt. The inside here, it is where the wave comes, or you put the wave in there, and it also has this little secret pouch inside there. And I was looking on their website, and you can actually buy some different bits for the wave, and I believe that you can actually fit them in back here. Don't quote me on that quite yet because I haven't bought them yet to try it, but I believe that's what that's for. On their website there's another product you can buy, which is an extender, and so they got two side compartments right here, and I think one of them you can put in there, and the other one I'll probably put a ferro rod in there, and see if I can get a little close up here. Alright, so see, it's got that on each side here. I can't quite see it on the camera here, but it goes all the way through. So that's the sheath. I'll go ahead and put that aside. And then this is the wave. And the thing that I like about this right off the hand is, instead of having to open this up to get to your knife, this is right on the outside and it locks into place. So it's got a regular knife here, and then to unhook it, or to unlock it, you just push this little thing in right here and it comes in. Okay. The next thing right here is the file. And the thing that I like about this file is that there's on this side there's a coarse, really fine coarse I can't even think right now. File, sorry. File. And on this side it's really fine, which is a nice touch to them. I haven't seen one like that. Of course, I don't really look around for pocket knives. And then on this other side here is a serrated, it's a 420 HC serrated knife. And then the regular knife was also 420 HC. This just locks into place again. And then the last little thing on this side is the saw. So you can kind of tell on the camera here, if it focuses. I guess it's not going to focus. There we go. So that's what the saw looks like. And then opening this up, it's got the needle nose pliers right up top here. It's got the regular pliers. And then right down here, it's for let's see here. Right down here, I don't know if you can see it or not. There we go. That little spot right there is for hard wire cutters. The little circular thing right there. And then this right here is just regular wire cutters. And so that's this part right here. Okay. And then This also, on the sides here, I'll turn it around here so you can see it, has inches and then also centimeters. And it goes out, I think, about 4 inches on this side. And it goes, so you can see that. Okay. So let's go ahead and start right here. It's just the typical bottle opener, or I'm sorry, can opener, and then it's got the bottle opener right here. Bottle opener, can opener, and then another thing on the bottom here is it actually has wire strippers. Okay. So can opener, bottle opener, the wire strippers. And then moving on to the next one on this side. Oh, another thing is they also all lock, and then you press this down and it unlocks them. Okay. So the next right here is, it has a large bit, or I'm sorry, it's let me see if I can take this out here. It's got a large bit driver, Phillips, and then the regular, or Phillips and the flathead. And it comes in there, and then they also have other ones that you can buy for this kit, but they come separately. And then once again, press this down, and it unlocks it. Alright, I think that's everything on that side, and it is. So moving on to this side, it's got scissors which lock into place, and I've used these quite a bit. They're nice and sharp, and they're kind of spring action. Not really spring, but this little right here, that's what makes it all springy. This little piece right there. Okay. And then moving on to the next, and this is what I really like and enjoy. If you've seen my other videos, I wear glasses, and it comes with a little itty bitty, see if it focuses in on here, little itty bitty bit driver, perfect for glasses. I've already used them actually. And then the last thing that this comes with, if I can get it out here, is a medium screwdriver. Okay. So we'll go ahead and take all these out real quick. I'll go over them real quick again here. Just take me 1 second there. There we go. Alright, so you got the needle nose pliers, you got the regular pliers, you have the hard wire cutters, and then the regular wire cutters, and then you have the wire stripper, which is right there. Okay. And then you have the can opener and then the bottle opener. Okay, can opener, bottle opener. And then you have the large bit driver, which is detachable, so you can flip it back in, put it in there if you need it, take it back out, flip it over again. Okay. And then it comes with the scissors. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Comes with the scissors. Just right there. And it comes with the little itty bitty screwdriver right there. And it comes with a medium one. Granted, this is a lot larger than the others, so I'll just call this a large one. Okay. And you fold this back. And then this is the 420 HC knife. Okay. And the file. And it on their website it did say it was diamond coated. So this is diamond coated there. Okay. And then the serrated knife and the saw. The reason why I bought this particular one, other than all the other ones, is because it has 3 functions in here that I really think that all knives or pocket knives should have, and I haven't really been able to see them. Not where I'm located, anyways. You probably could on the internet, but the 3 things I wanted the most in a pocket knife: 1 is the scissors, 2 is the saw, and then 3 is the knife, of course. So that's the main reason why I bought this one, and I have used it a few times. The knife is sharp, and then I've used the scissors on there. I've used the little ABD screwdriver for my glasses. That's all I've used on this. This isn't a review. This is actually just another information video. From what I've been told, is this is a really great knife to have. Another thing I like about it is it does have a 25-year warranty on this tool. So if the saw breaks or anything like that, you can take it back in and they'll fix it for you. And one thing I would like to point out about this knife is I don't know if this is just an older version or what exactly, but this is the second type of knife that I've seen. But oops, I didn't need to take it out. The first one that I've actually seen with this, the saw actually comes out like the screwdriver bit did, but this one it doesn't. It's just a solid piece. So I don't know if this is just an older version or if there's 2 different models or what's going on there. But I did look on their website and they do have replacements. So if you do get a different version that has the saw that does come out, don't worry. They do have replacements. I think they're like $5 or something. And then the accessories that you can buy, 2 of them that I'm thinking about getting is the bit kit, and I think it has like 20 different bits that you can put in here. And then the next thing I'm going to buy is the bit driver extender. I do believe that the bit kit you can probably fold in here or put in here. Once again, I don't know 100% sure. I don't have one yet. I'm going to try that out though. And then the bit extender I'm going to put right here. So that's just a couple things on my shopping list of things to buy. And this is the Leatherman Wave, and I hope you enjoyed this movie, or this, not movie, but this video. And I hope you all have a nice day, and you all take care now.